Hey everyone, really quick video for you. We have a 2007 Yukon Denali XL, and problem was it was blowing warm air in the front, but the back of the rig was blowing cool air. It's dual climate. So anyhow, you might recognize this dashboard. Just kind of nice to have the reference, right? So I'm sure yours looks something like this. So I'll show you what we did really quickly. So I ordered a part. I got it. It's an AC Delco original. I think I paid $72. I did buy it on Amazon. That's the part for all of you to see. Hopefully you can get that. But here underneath the passenger side, this cover goes up right here, and it has these, I think they're 7mm that you need to pull out. There's two of them, one here, one about there. Just drops down to here. And then those are the screws, and this is the module. So you pull these pins out, these connectors, there's one here. You push the little tab on the inside of them, and then they pop out like that, okay? Little release tab. All right, and then really essentially those, I think those are 5.5mm, kind of a funky size. So hopefully you have one of those in your arsenal. At any rate, this is the part that came out. That's the original number on it, if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Okay, but you can see the fins are pretty corroded, pretty messed up. I didn't film this before I put the new one in, but I did put the new one in, and it solved the problem. So essentially, if you're not getting any cool air out of your front vents, but the back half of your car is still cooling, then I recommend getting this part. I think it's always best to buy original. This is AC Delco again. There are some Amazon knockoffs, but I've heard funky things about them on the reviews. Anyhow, hope this was helpful. Take care.